fun. The second duck was shiny blue, dancing as the cool wind blew. He swam fast and twirled around, making ripples up and down. The third one wore a coat of red, bobbing up and down his head. He flapped his wings and gave a cheer. Let's all play and have no fear. The fourth was green like leafy trees, floating gently in the breeze. She loved to jump and dive so low, blowing bubbles as she'd go. The last was purple, soft and sweet, tapping rhythms with her feet. She twirled, she spun, she waved her wing, making music as she'd sing. Mama duck called, come back soon. They swam home beneath the moon. 5 little ducks, safe and sound, dreaming colors all around. Quack, 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 good night, my dear. Sleep so tight till dawn is near.